Dear students, in this class, let us try to understand on National Electronic Funds Transfer System of Banks. This topic is in relation to BCom Modern Banking Management of third semester Mangalore University, and it is also useful even for BA students also. Myself, Dr. Srinivasaya, Department of Collegiate Education, Government of Karnataka. Learning objective of this session here enables learners to understand the concept of NEFT. Session outcomes are students may understand what is the meaning of, will understand what is the meaning of NEFT and how the NEFT and how NEFT will be executed in the banks and what are their objectives, and also what is the significance and importance of NEFT. So after this session we can understand these things. My presentation plan is the introduction of NEFT, meaning of NEFT, process of NEFT, significance of NEFT. This is my presentation plan in this session. Further, in the introduction part, National Electronic Fund Transfer is a nationwide payment system facility. One-to-one transfer under this scheme, individual can electronically transfer funds from any bank branch to another bank branch which is participating in this scheme. So any individual, firms, corporation with a bank account can transfer funds electronically by using the NEFT. Any individual, even without having the bank account, can also transfer funds by visiting the bank branch and depositing cash at the NEFT-enabled branches. So therefore, NEFT, it is also an internet banking system, similarly like RTGS, but NEFT is a system which can be executed even with the smaller amount of money also. The major difference between NEFT and RTGS is NEFT can be executed even small amount also. RTGS will take place with the larger bulk transfer of money from one bank branch to another bank branch accounts. So therefore, it is very important to note like that. Similarly, method of NEFT transfer. So first we need to log on like this, log in into your bank, net banking or a mobile banking. After successful login, so that is you are required to go to transfer. So that is there you have to add the beneficiary account name and IFSC code and the details. Next, accept the terms and conditions which is being provided and confirm, and add the same thing and profile password in the registered mobile number it will come, and validate the same so that is within the 30 minutes of validation the internet or a mobile banking app. So you will be able to ready to transfer money easily from your account to the somebody's account. This is the method being can be adopted on your net banking in the method of NEFT transfer of money from your bank account to somebody's account with whom you wanted to transfer the money. Further, timings of the NEFT. Reserve Bank of India has made system available around the clock throughout the year on all the days on 24/7 into 365 days basis. Settlements of fund transfer, NEFT is done on half-an-hourly basis. Prior to this change, the NEFT timings were 7 p.m. except holidays. So here, the recently, so that is from December end. So the Reserve Bank of India made these changes. Earlier, there was a time up to 7 p.m. where we can transfer through a NEFT money. Even there was no provision for holidays. Now 24/7, 365 days, at any time you can transfer fund from your account to the another account. An important difference between, already I told, NEFT and RTGS. In the NEFT, small amount also can be transferred, but in the RTGS, minimum amount of rupees 2 lakhs are required. So your NEFT charges also relatively less, but even RTGS charges are relatively less than the NEFT. But however, both when comparing the transactionary charges, both are relatively it is less only. It is more convenient to the customer. Conclusion: the NEFT is the most important significant advantage lie in fact that does not place any upper limit. So the transaction amounts, as a result, this mode of payment is quite useful for the business as well as transfer of large funds regularly, individuals with a similar requirement. So therefore we can say that it is one of the extended internet banking to a customer, where they need not go to a bank. They can transfer by sitting there at home without physically visiting the bank branch. So that is by adding the beneficiary account and adding the beneficiary name, so that very easily they can transfer amount of money. So this is National Electronic Fund Transfer System. So this is how the information. They might ask for they write a note on NEFT. You can write, this is the small information about it. Okay, my dears, all students, please do well and subscribe the channel. Okay, learn many things. Thank you very much.